Everyone is chasing happiness as if it were buried treasure, yet the Stoics discovered it was within reach every single day. Do you ever wonder why we're still searching? You scroll through endless feeds, compare yourself to others, and feel like happiness always belongs to someone else. What if I told you the Stoics had a way to take it back? Imagine being able to wake up tomorrow and feel calm, strong, and happy. Not because life got easier, but because you finally learned how to master your response to it. Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we explore 5 Stoic teachings to push yourself to live happy. Each day, timeless lessons that can transform your inner world and bring peace, strength, and joy into every moment. Teaching 1. Master your morning mind. The Stoics saw mornings as sacred ground. Marcus Aurelius began each day, reminding himself that he would encounter arrogance, ingratitude, and dishonesty. Was this pessimism? Number, it was preparation. By setting his mind for reality instead of fantasy, he took charge of his mental state before the world could disturb it. Ask yourself, do you start your mornings with chaos or with calm? A simple practice. Before you touch your phone, ask 3 questions. What am I grateful for? What one action will move me forward today? How do I want to show up in the world? As Seneca wrote, every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. Every morning is your chance to start fresh. Teaching 2. Transform pain into purpose. Epictetus, once a slave, taught, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. The Stoics saw hardship as raw material for greatness. When life knocks you down, instead of asking, why me? Ask, what can I learn? Think about losing a job. Yes, it's painful, but it can also push you toward a career aligned with your true values. Pain is not the end. It can be the beginning of growth. When you transform pain into purpose, you stop being a victim of your circumstances and become the author of your own story. Teaching 3. Release the need to control everything. How much time do you waste trying to control outcomes, people, or the future? The Stoics called this the dichotomy of control. Some things are up to us, others are not. Marcus Aurelius wrote, confine yourself to the present. That means letting go of what you cannot change and focusing fully on your effort, attitude, and choices. Imagine being stuck in traffic. You cannot move the cars, but you can control your reaction. You can breathe, think, or even turn the moment into learning. By releasing the need to control the uncontrollable, you gain freedom. The freedom to live with peace instead of anxiety. Teaching 4. Practice grateful perspective. Happiness, the Stoics taught, is rooted in gratitude. Marcus Aurelius said, when you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. The Stoics even practiced negative visualization, imagining life without the blessings they had. By considering the absence of what they loved, they deepened their appreciation for it. Try this each night. Name 3 things you're grateful for. Don't just list them, feel them. Imagine your life without them. Suddenly, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Gratitude rewires the mind. Instead of chasing what you lack, you awaken to the abundance you already possess. Teaching 5. Build unshakable inner worth. Most people tie their worth to wealth, appearance, or approval. But the Stoics taught that true value lies in character, effort, and virtue. Epictetus wrote, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Real worth comes not from what you own, but from who you are becoming. When your worth is internal, failure becomes feedback, not identity. Criticism loses its sting. Relationships improve because you no longer need others to validate you. Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome, understood this well. Even with power and riches, he wrote about humility, discipline, and self-mastery. He knew that true freedom is found within. Today we explored 5 Stoic teachings to push yourself to live happy each day. 1. Master your morning mind. 2. Transform pain into purpose. 3. Release the need to control everything. 4. Practice grateful perspective. 5. Build unshakable inner worth. Happiness isn't something you wait for, it's something you create through choices, mindset, and discipline. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Stoic Blend for more timeless wisdom. Drop a comment below with the principle you'll start practicing today. Remember, happiness is not at the mercy of your circumstances. It's in your hands, your mind, and your daily commitment.